In the Sami language, there is a form of singing which is named yoiku, yoiku singing. And yoiku is basically a song about the spirit, about a divine energy that is in an object. It could be in a tree, a animal, whatever. It can be even a piece of rubber if you can find an anima, an animagus, the spirit in a piece of rubber. So the spirit lies in everything. That is the teaching that we follow as Finnic people. Everything is sacred in our worldview. The Finnic people, they believe in the nature, that every tree, every piece of stone is a living being. And by doing my work, I basically channel the sound wave.